Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your media and workspace. Import both clips into the project bin, then create a 16:9 timeline that matches the main clip's resolution and frame rate. This ensures cleaner scaling. Once done, drag both clips onto separate video tracks so they overlap in time. Make sure to turn off any auto-rescale settings in Preferences, because manual control prevents unexpected cropping. Now you're ready to position each clip precisely for the split-screen layout. Next, you position and crop each clip to create the split layout. Use transform or motion controls to scale to about 50% width for a 2-up split, and nudge X position so they sit edge to edge. If edges don't align, apply a rectangular mask or crop to hide overlap. Once positioned, match color, exposure, and white balance so the split feels cohesive. This reduces viewer distraction. If audio overlaps, duck one track or use sidechain to keep speech clear. To finalize, add a thin divider and safe area guides, then preview at full resolution to check alignment and motion. Export using the timeline's matched codec and a reasonable bitrate to avoid artifacts. This preserves edge clarity. If you notice misalignment or jitter, stop the export, reset transforms for both clips, and reposition using numeric values for exactness. This fixes subtle offsets. Finally, render a short segment to confirm everything plays smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.